Prepositions of time. Use your finger to remember them. Put your finger on the day. On Tuesday. On the 6th. On Tuesday, the 6th of October. On Tuesday, October 6th. On Halloween. Put your finger in a period of time. Okay? In October. In the fall. In the morning. In the evening. In the year 2020. Use your finger to indicate a point of time. At 3 p.m. At 11:15. At noon. At the end of the workday. At the beginning of the school day. Be careful, there are exceptions. For example, at night, on the weekend. Night and weekend are periods of time, but we do not say in the night or in the weekend. At night and on the weekend are correct. Why? Because English is a crazy language. Also, because languages are not perfect. Try this exercise about prepositions of time. The first word is missing from each sentence. Listen to each sentence and put the correct preposition of time at the beginning of the sentence. Then repeat the rest of the sentence. For example, January, it snows. In January, it snows. Repeat. Number 1. 7 a.m. I get up. Try it. At 7 a.m. I get up. Please repeat. Number 2. Wednesdays, I don't work. Try it. On Wednesdays, I don't work. Repeat. Number 3. The weekends, I work. Try it. On the weekends, I work. Please repeat. Number 4. The evenings, I watch TV. Please try it. In the evenings, I watch TV. Please repeat. Number 5. The beginning of work, I turn on my computer. Try it. At the beginning of work, I turn on my computer. Please repeat. Number 6. Noon, I go to lunch. At noon, I go to lunch. Please repeat. Number 7. The fall, it gets colder. Try it. In the fall, it gets colder. Please repeat. Number 8. Midnight, I am usually asleep. At midnight, I am usually asleep. Number 9. October, my new job begins. In October, my new job begins. Number 10. October 13th, my new job begins. On October 13th, my new job begins. Number 11. 9 o'clock on October 13th, my new job begins. At 9 o'clock on October 13th, my new job begins. Number 12. December, I see the doctor again. In December, I see the doctor again. Number 13. December 15th, I see the doctor again. On December 15th, I see the doctor again. Number 14. 3:30 p.m. on December 15th, I see the doctor again. At 3:30 p.m. on December 15th, I see the doctor again. Number 15. The year 2021 I see the doctor again. In the year 2021, I see the doctor again. Number 16. March of 2021, I see the doctor again. In March of 2021, I see the doctor again. Number 17, night, I don't sleep well. At night, I don't sleep well.